Hello friends, welcome to Quick Clear. Today I'm going to show you how to use find and replace function in Microsoft Excel. So I have written the months of the year, so I'll show you how to use find and replace function by using this example. So the first thing what you are going to do, in this home tab, you'll find this find and select function, click there. And then choose the first one. First we'll see the find function. This is find what? In this example, let us find R. What does it mean? If I'm writing R here, it will find letter R, the box, the cell in which the cell which contains letter R will be spotted. So as an example, January, there is one R here. February, there is R. March, there is R here. April, there is R here. May, June, July, August, there is no R. So it will jump it. Then September, October, November, December, there is R at the end. So let us find it. Then already in the first cell, so it will jump to the second cell. You see, it is spotted this cell. Then next, the third cell. It is finding, searching for R. This command is looking for letter R. So in March there is R here. The next in April there is R here. So it will find it. It will spotting the cell that contains letter R. Now May, June, July, August there is no R. So it will jump it and it will go directly to September. You see, it is in September now. October, November, December, all cells has this letter R, so it will go to there, each cell one by one like this. Then the second thing is that replace function. Though let us undo it like this. So it is in the first cell, January. So what it is going to do, first it will find R, then it will replace it by any letter or number that you want to replace. In this example, just click here, replace, then go to replace with, I want to replace letter R with letter Z. So write letter Z. Don't use quotes like this, only write the letter. Then it can replace one by one if you choose this replace option, or it will replace all just within one click. You see, let us see the first one, replace. You see now it replaced the first cell, January. Now the cell is spotted in the second one, so it will replace the second cell. So the third, it will replace this R, replace. Now it is jumped to this September because there is no R here. So replace. You see, it replaced each cell one by one. So let us undo it. Let us undo it and let us see how this replace all function works. So replace all means it will replace all this the cells that contain letter R just once. You see, all done. We made 9 replacements. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel.